So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. And yes, we're back into some comfort food. I made the tater tot casserole. Good. I just got it out of the oven. It's sizzling away there. I don't know if you can hear it. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're all doing great. Thanks for joining us. Wish you were all here. Happy lunchtime, my darlings. And I did some butterflied shrimp in the air fryer, so that's what I'm having there. And then I just did up this little kind of like salsa chip thing. I made this salsa actually. I don't really like salsa. And the only reason I don't like salsa is because it's got onions in it. But I made my own, and hubby still has tomatoes from our garden. He was very smart, and he grabbed all the tomatoes and everything that were still on the vine, and he put them in paper bags. I think that's what he's done, and kept them in our garage in a safe spot. And he brings them in, and then we put them like in the sunlight, and they change color. Like, these are yellow tomatoes. We grew yellow tomatoes, and we did the little cherry tomatoes. So I got a little bit of the yellow tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes in this little salsa that I made. I chopped some of that up and some of his peppers and chopped it up, and then hot sauce, a little tomato puree, pepper, salt, a little bit of the Red Lobster seasoning. I put a little bit of that in there. And so yeah, it actually tastes really good. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. Just put a few things together and see how it goes. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. And no, it's not very healthy, but we're having the Velveeta pasta, and I put boiled some hot dogs and chopped them up and put them in there. That's it there. And I also made some garlic bread. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I did a little pork loin steak in the air fryer. And I made a baked potato. It's got some sour cream and cheese on there. And butter. And if you can believe it, the tomatoes are from our garden. My husband has kept the tomatoes that were left over, and now we're still eating the tomatoes. They're still good. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're having a great night too. Easy peasy. So my darlings, hubby came home with what you're seeing from Tim Hortons after work today. There's a donut in there, and of course my coffee, just like the regular coffee. But this is a donut that I've been meaning to try. It's the Bailey's donut. The Bailey's is like a liqueur, but it actually doesn't have any liquor in it. They have different drinks with the Bailey stuff in it as well. Tim Hortons does. If I can, I'll find a picture and I'll put it up. But anyways, I wanted to show you the donut. It's the Bailey's donut. Look at that. It's very kind of my hubby. Thanks again for bringing home a treat for me. Like, I've been wanting to try it. It's been out for a little bit, I think. But anyways, I'll let you know my thoughts. I'll write on the screen how I liked it. And let me know if you've tried this Bailey's donut from Tim Hortons. I'd love to hear it down below. So I just wanted to come back quick and just give you my thoughts on this Bailey's donut from Tim Hortons. I have to give this like a 2 out of 10, which is not good. It's not my favorite. I didn't like it. It does kind of taste like Bailey's, I guess, but it's got a weird taste to it. But the presentation of it, I would give that more like an 8 out of 10 for presentation, but I don't know, just the taste of it, I don't like it. So like I said, 2 out of 10. So those were my thoughts. So my darlings, here's my lunch for today. I made myself kind of like a Caesar salad, but I put broccoli in it. And these are the tomatoes you see are still from our garden. Yes, and just this with the lettuce is iceberg lettuce. And I cooked up some shrimp in the frying pan with garlic butter. And I'm just going to have that on the side. This is what I'm having for my lunch today. Hope you're all doing well and hope you're all eating well too. Let me know what you're having. I'd love to hear. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. We're having a breast of chicken. We had one breast and I cut it into two pieces. And I put them in the air fryer with some cream of mushroom soup on it. And I made some rice with cream of mushroom soup. And these are our beans from our garden that Robert grew. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. I had frozen some of these beans that he grew, so that's why we're able to have them now. This is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Well, hopefully it's good. I don't know. So my darlings, my hubby came home and he brought cannolis home. There's a lady that he works with that has this little business called the Sourdough Delights. I guess it's on Instagram there. If you want to go check her out, apparently she makes great Italian pastries and things like that. Anyway, she made us lemon cannolis. Yeah. And these ones are without the whipped cream. She gave us whipped cream to put in there. Lemon. But she also made my husband some treat. I'm not going to say what it is because he hasn't seen them yet. And I can't get it open. Just hold on. What are they, raspberry, you think? That's what you wanted, raspberry ones?
They're blueberry.
Oh.
And lemon.
Blueberry? That doesn't look like blueberry.
Blueberry lemon.
Okay, they're blueberry and lemon scones that Rob was, like, he didn't buy these from her. She did them special for him for a surprise. He's very excited. Anyways, those are for him. And then he bought these from her. And I'm trying to get you, if you want to go to her site on Instagram, there it is. Those look lovely. She gave us lemon and I think chocolate cannolis. And she makes it all from scratch, I believe. Well, I picked up this lemon cake. It says all the taste of the Mediterranean with lemon juice from Sicily. It's comes from Italy, apparently. Product of Italy. And I got it at the Dollarama, and it was, if you can see there, $3.50. So let me know if you've tried this, if you bought this, and if you've tried it, if it's any good. I'm going to open it up now. So here's what it looks like. I opened it up. It's in this like plastic container with this little rigid thing around it. And as I was opening it, you could smell the lemon. So, and it looks, you know, it's pretty, looks moist. So we're going to have a slice of that, and I'll let you know. But I'd like to hear if you've had it, if you enjoyed it or not, too. Or, yeah. So here's what it looks like when I cut it. And I just put I just put a little bit of whipped cream on the side. Because I think it is going to be a little bit dry.